In this video, I'm going to share with you a way for making money as much as you can. There is no limitation for the amount of money that you can make. It's a new strategy, new way for making money online. You can start making money online after watching this video. You don't need any skills, any experience. It's available worldwide and completely free to start. I'm gonna show you a step by step how to do that and how to make money with this way. Please keep watching. Hello, it's Ershad from United Braves. If you just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a huge market. There is a great potential for you to make money online from this huge market. You should come to Fiverr.com and then programming, then mobile apps, and you will see here there are some gigs here. They design mobile apps for customers, for clients, and you see the number of reviews for them, and actually starting at 20 bucks, 50 bucks, 10 bucks, and $600. Starting at $600. You see there are different gigs here, and they just do one thing. They design mobile apps, and just for this they make lots of money. Really, it is like this, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to design mobile apps free. If you don't know how to actually any programming or any codes, you don't need to have any skills or experience for designing or creating mobile apps. You can do it today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Please keep watching this video. And for example, this gig just $600. You see that for example, especially in taxi app, business app, fitness, food and service app, and there are some screenshots and something like this from his apps. Okay, and another person, for example this one, another gig. Yes, you see again the same. They are just doing the same things. You see this bottom, these are the features, and that he's selling. And I will convert your website to APK or IPA file. You just convert your website to a mobile app. Just this one, convert your website to a mobile app. Just by this, starting for example at $10, $25 and $50. Just like this. I'm gonna show you this one that you can even under 5 minutes you can convert a website to a mobile app and earn money. Just like this. It's pretty easy. The website that I'm gonna show you is appipie.com. Appipie.com. As you can see here, app maker to make an app without coding. Yes, you don't need even to know one code. You just click here and then you come here, and that's all. You should continue. I will show you another another website is Buildfire. Again the same, they are like each other. There is no difference between them, and just click get started. Then you will come here. You see all of the features, all of the categories that these geeks they talk about and they sell and they design to, and they earn $600 just for basic package, and standard $800, and you see near $1,000. And just the features are really like them. There is no difference. For example, you see here, if where is it? Here. Taxi app, business app, fitness app, food and services. And here you see the categories. You see small businesses, even you have the template before, just you need to edit the template with your photos, with your information, just edit it, and then you can publish and you can sell very easily. You need for different, restaurants, sports, fitness, real estate, education, public figures, small business, and so on. Different, even blank, you can start from scratch and you can design your template if you want with this website, Build Fiverr. Another website is App Make R, something like this. And again, the same system, edit your app, you just click edit your app and you can continue. Actually the system is exactly, they have the same system, just click and then there are some ready templates for you, and just you can choose a template and edit the template with your information and replace with your information. Another website is I Build App and learn how to create an app, and just you click here and start creating app. You see for different categories and features: education, healthcare, churches, manufacturing, retail, media, financial services, and business. And you see actually this is a template, and exactly they work the same and they use the same system. I'm going to show you how to make an app with this website. This website is appypie.com. Just click here, create your free app. Here you should write your business, actually enter business name. I just write it, my first app, just next. Choose a category, for example, I'm gonna choose business. Yes, pick a color, go green, and also you can design for iPhone and Android. I pick Android, save and continue. And you need to log in and here I'm gonna log in with Google. So it's loading. Actually we are going to dashboard. Yes, you see this is the template that I need to edit it. My first app is my business name. I choose this one. Then different actually, for example, photos. Here you can choose the photos, information, business, about everything that you can imagine. There are some photos here. Even you can use your custom image, your photos, upload custom image. You can use your photos if you have, or no, you can pick some photos from here. And you see for different categories they have photos. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, information, choose this photo, and then continue. Just here you see for example, do I like this one, do I like this or different? I can choose one of them. I like this one, matrix, and it's like this, or I can choose this one. It would be like this. It depends on you, which one do you prefer to have, or this sounds cool. Yes, you see different templates you can choose here. And then that's it for designing, for custom designing. This is for features. What we need for features. For example, already we have about us, website, contact, one touch, form builder. You see, you can even edit them. For example, this website you can add to you. You can put the page name, I mean your website name, the link and everything like this. Add more, even you can add more advanced settings. You see here for different kinds of, for example, open a new browser window. Even you can direct to a browser after clicking a new browser, and form builder and everything like this. And also, for example, another thing, here you can also add other features if you really need. Add feature. If you click add feature, you see there are some different feature here for you. social features, for example chatbot, dating, donate, and for example LinkedIn or share, everything like this. Different, for example multimedia, you see there are some features here, and information about information. You see code page, even if you like you can add code page, CMS, and for example for CMS WordPress, Joomla, you know, there are a lot of features, as you know, even you can't imagine. Just to come here to start building your app, it's so easy to do. And just for example multimedia, if I want to, for example social, if just I can add LinkedIn here, just my link, enter my LinkedIn, and then save and continue. If I click on save and continue here, it will take me to the page that I think, yes, here it's loading. Yes. Now let's test your app. You see my app, it's actually is ready. I can download it. Here you see test your app. I need to enter my name and my phone number, and then to test your app on device you need an installation link. Please enter your phone number so that we can verify it and send the link. And after that they send the test link, and then you can just install and download on your cell phone and try and test your app. If it's everything is okay for you, if everything is okay for you, you will actually you need to also pay for this app. So just install the app, and then you can send the file to the person that is going actually he or she already ordered and actually purchased your gig. Then you can send the link for them, and they can try, test, and everything. If everything is okay, you can buy the app from this website and then sell them. I'm going to show you the price of app here. Appify.com reseller, you should come here, reseller, and then pricing. You will come over here. You see the price starter for 10 apps is just $200, and it's really cheap. 10 apps you can make. For example, if you see here, he just earned for one app at basic price $600, and you can make actually good money with this website. Also you can check other websites to see the prices and everything, and check all of the websites and see that which websites actually is more comfortable for you, and you can feel better, and also it's cheaper for you, and everything is okay for you, the situation. And then choose a website and just work with that website, and then sell and start selling apps for your customers and for your clients. And I recommend you before start selling on Fiverr.com and create a gig for yourself, please go to these websites for making apps, and at least build one app for yourself to check everything, to see that how it works, how the system works, and actually get better for making apps. Then start selling on Fiverr.com and create a gig to sell apps and to design a mobile app for your customers and for your clients. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up and like the video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click. Subscribe. Subscribe. Click. Waiting for you. Click. Subscribe. Subscribe. Click.